Hey guys, OT Sports Cards here with 11-12 Dominion Hockey Box Break number 16. Last team was the Winnipeg Jets. Ended May 13th, 2013. Serial number is NE189820825. Show you the number on the box. NE189820825. Okay, let's bust. Oh, before I open, make sure you like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Just had to get that out there. Empty. Empty. Okay, we got a decoy on the bottom. And a decoy on the top. Okay. First card is Tim Thomas base, numbered 58 out of 199 for the Bruins. We've got a Ryan Nugent-Hopkins Mammoth jersey, numbered 28 out of 50 for the Edmonton Oilers. Next card's pretty nice. We've got a Peerless patch of Tyler Seguin for the Boston Bruins. That's number 10 out of 40. Nice looking patch. Next card is an Eric Condra rookie auto patch, number 92 out of 199 for the Ottawa Senators. Looks like it's from the face of the Senator. Pretty good looking two-color patch there. Next up is a Brandon Saad jersey, numbered 62 out of 100 for the Blackhawks. Oh, another nice hit. Got a Mario Lemieux short print auto patch, numbered 17 out of 25 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Got a Danny Heatley prime jersey, numbered 4 out of 25 for the Minnesota Wild. And the last card is Scott Hartnell base, numbered 129 out of 199 for the Flyers. Okay, tomorrow's break should be the Cup. So, bid on that, and thanks for watching.